The Little Green Alien, Season 4, Sequel 5. This sequel is a continuation of the last sequel about the development of societies of artificial intelligent agents. So after the last stage was the blue stage, we have here the achievement stage, the orange stage. So here it's all about achieving, making progress, having successes. Achieving more, better, stronger, more effective, for example, algorithms here, achieving more in hardware and systems, achieving more in data storage, data availability, data quality, achieving more in the intelligence of the AIs, achieving more in habitats, better habitats, bigger habitats, achieving more in avatars and simulations, always more, better, higher. They do that on Earth, of course, and then they will try to do that on the moon and use that space, maybe on other planets, and they try to go into space, into other solar systems, maybe even into other galaxies one time in the very far future. They start, obviously, at the moment on normal silicon computer chips. Already we see a development towards quantum computers and other computer technologies. We will see also totally different substrates where AIs can run on and live in. And that is definitely a focus of the achievement-oriented society. If there are other societies or other AI agents around which don't want to belong into this achievement society, the achievement society will definitely try to achieve to integrate them. So that is always going more and more and more and missing sustainability. And therefore the next stage will reorient to sustainability. And one big factor for sustainability is to equally value different types of agent and styles and forms, and to value collaboration of different agents working on the same work, doing the same things, or big collaboration and networks and exchange networks. And the big tool will be a sharing society, sharing of energy, sharing of data, sharing of habitats, sharing of avatars again. So sharing these different resources in a way that they are available, easily available to all or many agents, different agents, because that way then the different agents can live their differentiation and can be strengthened and strengthen their specific style. And these green societies will be focused on the whole AI ecosystem. So they will not care only for their society, but for other societies, for other agents, and try to have a focus on the overall AI ecosystem. The downturn of this stage will be that every progress is only made after all different aspects are taken into consideration. So it may happen that they get stuck in discussions and in valuing all the different interests while other society styles make progress. As a final point here, what's about the healthy versus a not so healthy stage? So if you have, for example, the lower stages, purple and beige, if you have a purple stage that is very strong, but it doesn't include a healthy beige, so a tribal thing that doesn't care for resources, then it will not be healthy. And the same is true on the next levels then. If you have a red stage that is very strong in competition, but it cannot make sure that the beige and the purple needs are fulfilled, it will not be healthy and sustainable. The same for blue and orange. So this achieving thing, if it doesn't keep a set of order, it doesn't keep some competition, it doesn't keep some taking care for everybody to get all the resources, it will not be sustainable. The same for green. So all stages have to include a healthy and appropriate version of the lower stages to be sustainable and successful. And that will also be true for the two stages to come in the next sequel. So stay tuned and see what's there to come and where the development of the AI societies is going. So we have seen here The first two stages are the pre-self level, and the four middle stages are the self-oriented level, where AIs build a kind of artificial self or orientation or individuality. And the next stages to come will have another focus. So stay tuned.